Hello mga kadon at mga kapuso, it's Megan Jaco for another run of Jaco Talks and I'm with, of course, breakthrough actor, napakagaling, parang next leading man na. Beside me, Michael Sager.
Hello po. Hello po sa inyong lahat.
First of all, bumati muna tayo sa mga viewers natin, kadonat.
Okay. So mga kadonat natin, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel and I hope to meet all of you guys soon, mga kadonat.
Favorite donut mo, flavor?
Favorite donut? Ako yung yung simple lang, chocolate glaze.
Sarap na, no? Parang kalabang ko ata yun. Anyway, of course, we have this portion, Jaco Ask, Michael Talks. Of course, congratulations. I've been following you around since you started dito sa GMA, no? Sparkle U, mga shows mo with Zephanie lahat na. And of course, ito ang big break mo masasabi natin, no? Kasi you're part of the lead cast dito sa Shining Inheritance. Talk about your character and the show.
Yes, very thankful for this role, first of all. It's a big role, this one of the leads, and it's from a Korean adaptation, and I'll be playing the role of Yuan de la Costa. So ito po si Yuan is a very maangas guy here. But the cool thing about Yuan, my character, is his journey throughout the whole show. Something na kailangan natin abangan as mga viewers, and ang dami ko din natutunan sa kanya, dami niyang lessons because it's a story about family. And you realize many things about family, and there's so many things that we take things for granted sometimes, and minsan kailangan lang natin sabihin sa parents natin, sa family natin, that you love them.
Tama. Grabe, no? Talagang dumuging ulo yung ko sa sinabi niya. Anyway, you're parang first time mo maka-work sina Kate, Kaylin, and Paul. How's it working with them?
Well, I just want to say na when I was interviewed, when I launched Sparkada, dream leading lady ko, dream maka-work, I would always say Kate. And gusto ko din maka-work si Kaylin. So, yeah, parang na-check yung dream list ko. And itong serye parang perfecto sa kanilang ng mga roles nila dito. And makaka-love team ko pa dito si Kate. And grabe, she's an amazing actress. I learned many things from her. And I'm just so happy na siya yung kapartner ko dito.
Manifest talaga.
Yeah, tama yan, mag-manifest lang.
Yeah. And Kaylin has a good word to you na talagang napakagaling daw.
Wow, thank you, Kaylin.
Ano yung feeling mo doon?
Well, Kaylin talaga is, it's like working with a veteran. Kaylin has been in the industry for a while now. So, yes, exactly. So, what can I say? I'm just so thankful that I get to experience her acting in share a scene with her. Yun talaga yung napakagaling. And masaya ako kasi nakatrabaho ko siya. Twin ko siya dito eh.
Yun na nga
so, parang
brother.
Maganda yung relationship namin sa characters. And yeah, nakakatuwa.
Ayan. Na-challenge ka ba dito sa role mo?
Yes, of course. It's a first drama that I've done. So, compared to Sparkle You, Love Is, and Abot Kamay, ito talaga medyo may karga yung character, may journey, may pinagdaanan, merong mga parang next level na talaga itong na-experience ko na to. And I had to make sure nag-acting coach ako with Miss Ana Fileo, the Direct Choron. I had to make sure I was on the right track kasi ang dali mawala pero siguro may goal lang talaga ako sa show na to na I give it my best. And I really tried para, I know I'm still learning. Ang dami ko natutunan sa show na to and I'm just happy I gave it my all for the time being.
At ready na silang ipakita ang acting nila dito sa Afternoon Prime na Shining Inheritance after Pasok with Boy Abunda. Before Pasok with Boy Abunda. 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Yeah, Mondays to Fridays. Enough with the Q&A. Let's have one game. One word challenge. Describe your co-actors only for one word. In one word lang.
Okay.
Miss Connie Reyes.
Beautiful.
Oh, ever.
Sorry.
Okay lang. Say hi. Kate Valdez.
Dedicated.
Yes. Paul Salas.
Wonderful.
Sino daw mas gwapo sa inyo?
Si Paul. Okay ni Paul.
Michael, sige tuloy. Glidon Mercado.
Si Glidel, grabe. Stunning.
Wendell Ramos.
Role model.
Miss Aubrey Miles.
Gorgeous.
Oh yeah, no? Indeed.
Nanay ko siya sa...
Yun na nga. At saka magkamukha kayo, ah. Nakita ko siya kanina, nag-hi ako. Miss Kaylin Alcantara.
Vicious.
Wow! And of course, yung show na abangan natin tuwing hapon ng Shining Inheritance, one word.
Importance.
Yes. Kaya panoorin natin. Invite our viewers.
Yes, mga puso, maka-donut. Manood na po kayo ng Shining Inheritance. It's the first Korean adaptation on Afternoon Prime. It'll be airing at 4 p.m. A great story that you will learn lots from. Family drama, business, lahat na, you name it, love. It's there. Abangan nyo po with many great actors in this show. Very proud of this show. Panoorin nyo po. See you soon.
Socials.
Socials. You guys can follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Michael Sager _ lang po yan. Maraming salamat.
Everyone, Michael Sager. Thank you!